Okay. Well, that took about an hour of my time today. And, man, whistle clean. Whistle clean. Look at that. Nice and clean. There's the motor information in case I need it in the future. Looks like someone changed the motor. You think they would clean the wheel? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Nice and clean. Here's the back of it. Look at that, huh? What a difference. All right. I cleaned the inside. I vacuumed. I even cleaned the drain pan, the drain line. We're looking good. We're looking good. Yep. What a piece of junk this machine is. But that's all right. It's got to last a little bit longer. When I get some bucks, I'll get Joe down here and we'll replace everything. That's it. That's it. And if anyone's listening to this in Long Island, or paying attention, this is why you got to be careful who services your equipment. There's a lot of phonies out there and a lot of lazy mechanics. Okay? This should have been picked up years ago. But of course it wasn't. Somebody was lazy and didn't care. Didn't care at all. Alright? So, if anyone's listening in Long Island, New York, this is why Joe from LLV Air Conditioning, this is why he's highly recommended by me. Okay? I've been in the business 40 years. 40 years. I'm retired. I've seen it all. And what I like most about Joe, he's honest and he always wants to do the right thing. It's not about the big bucks, it's about doing the right thing. That's what I like about him. So if anyone's listening, check him out, check him out. Okay? He's in Lindenhurst, New York. LLV Home Solutions. Okay, I'm gonna get back to work. I'm Joe Zuno, and I approve this message. Okay, 10-4, over and out.